I'm Joe Herbert, your Erie Real Estate agent, and today I've got another great listing. This time we're at 404 Minoka Drive in Frontier. It's in Northwest Erie. It's a 2,000 square foot house, 3 beds, 2 full baths, a nice 1-story ranch home, 2-car attached garage. It's about 2,000 square feet. So before we go inside and do our tour, I want you to subscribe to my channel, click the thumb to like this video, and click the bell so you get notified from all these great listings that I'm putting on the market. So let's go check it out. Come on. So I come in to 404 Minoka Drive in Northwest Erie. And there are 2 entrances actually. There's a nice entrance from the covered porch that goes into the kitchen, and there's a front entrance that comes right into this really nice family room. This house has 2 fireplaces. One is a gas fireplace, which is here in the family room. Really nice built-ins, updated windows, nice laminate flooring. Nothing to do here. You can just move right in. So now we're in the family room with a vaulted ceiling and a really nice wood-burning fireplace. Take a look at this, it's beautiful. Something I love about this house is this real nice flow here, almost this real wide hallway, and it connects the family room, the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen. It's just wide open. Take a look at how nice this is. Beautiful open floor plan. And again, it's a brick ranch, all 1-story living. So this area right in front of me is what can be used as the dining area. It's nice and open, and it flows right into this kitchen. When you take a look at this kitchen, notice beautiful granite countertops, granite island, really nice white kitchen cabinets, stone backsplash, all stainless appliances. It's really nice. Take a look at this. So before we go into the bedrooms, I want to show you something real quick over here. First floor laundry right off the kitchen in this cabinet. It's a nice washer and dryer, and those stay with the house. So on this end of the house, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. One of the bedrooms is a master suite. It's got dual closets and a beautiful ceramic walk-in shower, which is in the master bedroom. So come on and check this out. Full bath, master suite, and 2 more bedrooms. So we're gonna head outside in a minute, because there's two nice patios, a big one that's covered and then another one right here. This third bedroom flows right out into that big hallway again for this nice open floor plan. But it's also got sliding glass doors if you want to walk out to the one patio. And we'll go outside and check it out. Come on. There's two ways to come out to the two patios. You have this nice family room with the wood-burning fireplace, and it has a door that walks right out to this real big covered patio. You can entertain out here, have family reunions, barbecues, invite the neighbors. This is really nice. It's beautiful. So you've got a real nice landscaped, well-groomed lawn. And if we go all the way to the end of the yard, this is the patio that you walk out from the sliding glass doors from the one bedroom. Check it out. So that concludes our tour of 404 Minoka Drive in Frontier, which is in Northwest Erie. And a couple quick things I want to say about this house. You can walk right here to Frontier Park. There's tennis courts, pickleball, playground. They have the Jazz Festival there. It's an awesome place to walk your dog. And Romolo's Chocolates is right on the other side of the park. This is 5 minutes from downtown Erie and 5 minutes from Presque Isle State Park. What a great house. 1-story living, 2,000 square feet, 3 beds, 2 baths, 2-car attached garage. I'm Joe Herbert, your Erie Real Estate agent. And if you want to see more information about the house, like pictures, video, all the details, right below, click on the link. It'll take you to joeherbertrealty.com, where you can see every house for sale in Erie and this one. And again, like the channel, click the thumb to like the video, and click the bell to get more notifications. Thanks for watching.